Cross Gallery.
We have in the field of restaurant business in more than 34 years. Coming like this restaurant first time. So keeping in mind the corporate people, we design it and there are restaurants. In Bombay, I used to know the biggest business hall, BQC. Most of the professionals and also corporate people taking their lunch from here. So we are targeting only most of the corporate people in the daytime. And in the night is the family. So most of the all the restaurants looking to color for it. We have a colorful restaurant. We are not using any food colors. Whatever the is coming, like that way we are serving. As a tandoori items and the region and the what items we are serving. Especially our tandoori items are famous. There is no budget category hotels. The lower category neither lower category or not higher category. Keeping on budget people, not corporate people. Most of the corporate they are doing what they are sharing rooms. And double room sharing two people. Here we are on the same place we are giving that double room with a single room by the that's a very most ideal place. Very close to BKC, very close to Russian Expressway, very close to Bandra Station, very close to Bandra.